Hello friends, good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Arundhati's Fitness Mantras. And today I will be sharing with you information on a very important topic, that is cholesterol. Now friends, let us try to understand what is cholesterol. Cholesterol is a waxy fat-like substance and it serves various functions. It is required to build up the cells, that is the cell structure, for the digestion of food, for hormone production, for the vitamins, and for the brain to carry its work. Cholesterol mainly comes from two sources. Our body, that is the liver, is constantly producing cholesterol. And secondly, cholesterol is obtained from foods of animal origin only. No plant-based food contains cholesterol. The poultry, the high-fat dairy, and the meat contains a high amount of cholesterol. Our body is designed in such a way to produce the right amount of cholesterol. But it is with our diet we fall into trouble. The fat gets deposited in the blood vessels, thus causing obstruction to the flow of blood. Sometimes these fat deposits burst open or break inside the blood vessel, leading to a heart attack or a stroke. Now friends, let us try to understand the facts regarding cholesterol. HDL, that is the high density lipoproteins. It is a desired type of cholesterol, a good cholesterol, and its value should be more than 50 milligrams. The more your HDL values, the happier you ought to be. It prevents the formation of plaque inside the blood vessels. It reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. So your HDL levels should be high. Secondly, the LDL, that is the low density lipoproteins. And it's also called as the bad cholesterol. Its value should be less than 100 milligram. It causes damage to the blood vessels. It increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes if its values are higher. Now friends, let us try to understand what is meant by lipid profile. Lipid profile is a panel of blood tests which are done to screen the abnormalities in the lipids. This team consists of cholesterol, triglycerides, HDL, LDL, VLDL, and the cholesterol to HDL ratio. Now, which are the high risk groups in whom the cholesterol levels can increase? People who are overweight and obese, who have got a family history, who are alcoholics, who smoke, who are hypertensive, and whose diet contains trans fats, saturated fats, etc. Now, how can you reduce the cholesterol or control the cholesterol levels in your blood? Your diet is of great importance. You should consume a healthy diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables, either raw or cooked. With regards to fruits, such as you can consume apples, avocados. Apple contains a substance called pectin. It's a carbohydrate and it flushes the cholesterol out from your body. It increases the level of HDL, that is good cholesterol, and reduces the level of LDL, that is bad cholesterol. The similar case with avocados. You should consume plenty of lentils in your diet, which are rich in fibers. You should consume whole grains. Garlic pods, 4 to 5 garlic pods soaked overnight and consumed in the morning also help to control your cholesterol levels. Similarly, items such as onions, lime, lemon, dalchini, lauki ka juice also helps in controlling your cholesterol levels. The sweet items such as the pedas, rasgullas, burfis, rasmalais, gulab jamuns, butter, cheese, the paneer, which are all considered as vegetarian. They also increase the level of cholesterol in your blood, as the milk which is used to make these items is obtained from animal source. So how can you control your cholesterol levels? You have to keep a control on your diet. Consume plenty of fruits, vegetables, lentils, whole grains and nuts, which will supply you with a lot of fibers in your diet, which will increase the HDL levels and reduce the LDL, that is the bad cholesterol. You should engage in activities such as walking, moderate to brisk walking for 30 to 45 minutes in a day. Walking helps to control your cholesterol levels. Secondly, pranayam, Kapalbhati pranayam, practicing it for 15 to 20 minutes every day helps to control your cholesterol levels. Asanas such as Paschim Uttanasana, the Gomukhasana, also helps to control your cholesterol levels. You have to quit alcohol. If you are consuming alcohol, quit smoking. You should reduce your weight in case you are overweight or obese, and consume a very healthy diet. One life, you should stay fit, healthy and happy. And before I conclude, I will just like to spread one message. Do not forget to wear a mask once you step out of your house, as the cases of COVID-19 are very much on the rise, and do follow the rules of social distancing. Thank you.